Okay, this is the second video of a small series of videos I have put together to microtune some free U-he VSTs so that they can play in any equal temperament. If you watched the first video, it covered microtuning Tyrell N6. This video will cover microtuning Podolski, and I will follow this video with a video to microtune Zebralette. Excuse me. So to begin, I have Podolski in track 1 and G-tune in the master track. You can find both of these plugins at pluginsforfree.com. That's plugins, P-L-U-G-I-N-S, the number 4, and then free, F-R-E-E.com. Pluginsforfree.com. I've already set up my 14 EDO tuning here, but if you want to see it with the 12 EDO keyboard, here it is. Already set up 3 pitches to play 2 octaves in 14 EDO. The bottom note is A flat on the 12 EDO keyboard and 0 for the numbers that show the 14 EDO tuning. Then the middle notes on B flat on the 12 EDO keyboard. Notice it's also on 0 here in the numbers for 14 EDO. By the way, the numbers, I have them going from 0 through 13 and then repeating. And then the top note is on C on the 12 EDO keyboard and 0 with the, again, on the numbers for the 14 EDO tuning. So I've chosen a preset. Go ahead and close that. Chosen a preset that's easy to see the tuning in the G-tune. So here's what it sounds like. So you're going to see it's going from A flat, G sharp, A sharp, which is B flat, C. You're going to see the tuning. It kind of varies on Podolski, I've noticed. It's not right there exactly. Sometimes there's -1, +3, so there's 4 cents difference between the octaves, but it changes. So there's -2. +1, so there's a variance there of a few cents here and there as they play, as it goes, as it loops. So we'll just work with that. That's what it is. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start with microtuning Podolski. First, we're going to change the none in tune mod here. We're going to change this to key follow. Then we're going to turn the knob for tune mod here. We're going to turn it to -9.00. There it is. So let's check the tuning now. So we're hanging on A now. You're going to notice the tuning is close. It kind of varies as it did earlier for the 12 EDO tuning. +16, +18, +14. I've noticed basically it tends to go sharp as the notes go up. Not always, but it tends to go that way. So if you ever feel like you need to tweak it, and by the way, if you did watch my microtuning Tyrell N6 video, you'll remember that -9.20 was the sweet spot for changing Tyrell N6 tuning to 14 EDO. Since we don't have, let's go back there. We have -9.00 here, but you're going to notice we don't have a -9.20 to enter here. It goes from -9.00 to 9. Go back there again to -950, 9.50. So what we can do is we can tweak this, and if you have another equal temperament that you want to implement, here's how you tweak it just a bit. So then, since it's the last knob we touched, we're going to go ahead and go to the automation here. Click the automation box in Reaper. We're going to click right here, Show Last Touch FX Parameters Only box here. Then we're going to go ahead and check off the OSC1 Tune Mod Depth box here. So we've got that. We've got the envelope set up here. We're going to this point here on the line. We're going to right click on it, select set point value. You're going to notice it has 0.302. I'm going to change this to 3.10. Hit OK. Let's see what our tuning looks like now. Now you're going to notice it doesn't vary quite as much. Sometimes I'm not sure this tweaking really helps, but it seems to. Here's some plus 15, plus 14, plus 17. So I mean we were just within a couple of cents that on that pass. Let's say it tended to be plus 14. There's a flattish one. There's a sharpish one. So it varies with Podolski, I noticed, as I mentioned earlier. So anyway, that's it. By the way, if you want to use this way of tuning Podolski, it is only active for the current preset. So if you change to a different preset, you will have to go through this process all over again. Sorry about that, guys. Just the way it goes. Hope this doesn't keep you from using this way of microtuning Podolski, and enjoy. Thanks.